the Oral-B Sensitive Gum Care Electric Toothbrush. Replacement Brush Heads Refill is a top-of-the-line product manufactured by Procter & Gamble. Designed to provide gentle care for sensitive gums, these brush heads are meticulously crafted to ensure a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience. Measuring at 2.36 into 8.66 into 0.71 inches and weighing only 1.06 ounces, these replacement brush heads are convenient and easy to use. The item model number EB173ES guarantees a perfect fit for your Oral-B electric toothbrush, promising compatibility and optimal performance. With a remarkable rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 24,452 customer reviews, it's evident that users appreciate the quality and effectiveness of these brush heads. It comes as no surprise that this product ranks #4 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads and #641 in health and household. The UPC codes 88537678784, 38853769148050, 069055824207, and 069055847510 further attest to the authenticity and reliability.